Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about Xlookup examples. In my previous video I already explained few examples for Xlookup. Now move on to next examples. This is Viru Vemula. You are watching Excel Tutorials. Please do subscribe my channel to get more videos. Let's move on to another next example. Two-way lookup. In Xlookup, we can look up the data in two way only. Now, in this example, we have a fields called student name, marks in English, marks in maths, and physics and chemistry. We can look up the data with student wise as well as subject wise. Now, let's move on to the example. Is equal to Xlookup bracket start. First we have to select the marks, subject, comma, lookup array. What is the lookup array? So this one. What is the return array? So with the student name, 2 marks. Now again we have to start Xlookup, student name in the list, student name list, comma, you have to select max. You have to select entire data, not max, to select entire data. You have to close two brackets here. Now when we change subject here, so Viru, English marks is 97, max 90. The same way we can change student name also. Hope you understand the example. Let's next move on to another next example. Error handling. See, in vlookup, if any NA means error come, we will use if error function. In Xlookup, inbuilt only this if error came. So what is the syntax here? Xlookup, lookup value and lookup array, return array if not found. If not found, we can directly here we can mention the whatever text we want, we can mention, or else if you give any text in the specific cells, we can select the cell also. Now let's see how it works. In Xlookup, lookup value is this one and student name in student list, comma, marks in maths. If the student name is not in this specific list, that error should come like not available. Close the bracket and enter. By default, if you see what marks will come. If from is not available in this list, it will come not available. Hope you understand the example. Let us start with one more example. Nested lookup. In vlookup, we can look up the data in one table only, but in Xlookup we can look up the data in n number of tables. I looked up in almost around 10 to 15 tables. Now let's take the example of 2 tables. Let's start the formula with Xlookup, lookup value, comma, lookup array, comma, subject in max, okay, 73. If we want to search the data for Priya, so NA will come. So like again here, if NA came, it will jump into next table. Xlookup, student name, students list, marks. Okay. Next, if he is in first table, marks will come. If he is in second table, again it will mask. That's all for today. I will continue remaining examples in the next video. Hope you like the video. Hope you understand the video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.